Hi, welcome guys. Right, we're in Banbury now. These properties here for 1.89 and also the other one is 1.640. Right, so you know that's like the 1.89, it's like 54,000 for a detached. Yes, you heard it right, a detached property. And we're very close to all the amenities here too, guys. We've got a local hospital, which is, I suppose, I wouldn't say local, it's about 35 minutes away to Hua Hin. We've got 3 hospitals. There's the Sao Paulo, the Bangkok, and the Hua Hin. And also we have local fresh market here in Banbury. So, you know, and we have a Lotus there, a good quality of food shops there, you know. But if you want the imported food, you have to go to Hua Hin. So anyway, guys, this never mess about. You know, if you have inquiries, this is especially for Ben, who wanted to have a look at this. And if you're on a budget, it's an amazing place to buy one of these detached houses here. Really good value for money. And I was going to say, you know, one thing, the air quality here is quite exceptional. And also the we're quite close to Samrio Beach, which is a national park beach. You're going to be stunned when you see any of that, believe me, guys. This is a real bargain. We do have properties over the way that were slightly cheaper, but don't forget, guys, everything what you buy here is it's virtually like off plan. You know, obviously you can choose how you want your windows, you can choose how big the pool is, the big size of land, but that, you know, like everything in Thailand, it's all extra, that is. So you've got a basic price, have it all up on the video, all the different prices of the properties, but it's you know, real great value for money. That's what I can say. I'm really astounded. You know, I've come to this place several times now, and each time I come here and the buildings are a good space apart from one another. You know, it's not like most developments in Thailand, you know, they're all on top of one another. Anyway, no more to do. Let's get inside there and you tell me what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget the old subscription. Ad free. Freddie is ad free on this video. Let's get in there, guys. Well, there it is, guys. That's quite amazing, isn't it? That's a detached bungalow. £54,000. You know, that's for a basic, that is. Obviously, this guy's got a little bit more extra land. Here is the swimming pool, which he's added. And, you know, that's not a bad piece of land. And look at the houses along here. They're not all on top of one another. It's a good space, it is. And the quality of the building work is very good. So there's no more to do. Let's get in there, up those stairs. You could park the car here if you wanted to, but that's up to you. It's a good space there for the car. Let's get inside here. Right, you've got a nice porchway there. You can sit out there with your gin and tonic, and the air here is just amazing. There, that's in the back garden. Look at that lovely view. Absolutely staggering, isn't it? So anyway, guys, you know, this is what you call, you know, living the good life. Come and stay in Thailand and live in Thailand. It's very reasonable. You know, let's go and have a look. This is the porch anyway. Hey, look at that. That's the lounge and kitchen. So look at the height of them ceilings up there. Look, it's staggering, isn't it? How high that ceiling is, and it gives you the illusion of bigger than what it actually is. Plugs plenty. You know, there's plugs there. Another plug there. French doors. If you want to adjust any of this, you don't have to have what they have here. You can make it larger French doors, and there we are. What we have here is a Thai style kitchen. You know, you can adjust this. You can, you know, it's quite loud what they've got there, but you know, that's this guy's choice, and obviously we have to respect that. There we are, a lovely double. I mean, it's a double drainer, but not a bad size sink, and room down there below to put your bits and pieces in. And here we are in the first bathroom, which is here. There's 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, lounge, kitchen. here we are, and that's your shower, tiles, WC, and there's, oh, what a lovely basin that is. And there's your mirror. There we are. There's a mirror above that. I'm quite sure you don't want to see my camera. I'm not on any promotion or anything. I don't get nothing out of this, guys. I'm sheerly here out of curiosity. Right, guys, this is bedroom 1, the main bedroom with an ensuite. You can see it's got lots of sockets in the wall. There are plenty all the way around, and you can see got a good idea of the size of it. But the ceiling is very high here, which gives you a good depth of the actual bedroom, and it makes it illusional, like it really bigger than what it actually is. And we're going to go into the main bathroom of the ensuite. Hey, you've got a nice little window there, and there we are, nice wash basin and a mixer tap for your washing yourself, and obviously you've got a toilet holder for your toilet paper, and a bum wash as well, and really good standard toilet. And what about this, hey? I've never seen a shower with such a big shower head. And the ceiling, once again, it's nice and high, give you a nice depth of field. Nice fitments there for the shower. And obviously you can choose what tiles you want inside these rooms. Change the look, you know, how you want it, basically. So right, we're back into the main bedroom. Now we are going back into bedroom 1. Right, so look at bedroom 1. I should say bedroom 2 actually. This is bedroom 2. So it's slightly smaller, but not a lot. And you've got the high ceiling once again. And you have the lots of sockets in the wall, plenty all the way around. So look at that, and a nice sized window, good view out the back there. But like I say, you can change the colours of this. You don't necessarily have to have white. Just give you some idea of the size of the room there. Well, it's extraordinary value for money, this property is. Anyway, let's get back outside and have a look again out there. Okay, we're back outside now, guys. So this is the swimming pool this guy's had fitted. Obviously, you know, the tiles is just a complete choice of your own. I think I've got emerald green in my own swimming pool myself. And you've got a lovely shower here. Clean yourself down before you get into the swimming pool. But once this has all been cleaned, use your imagination a bit. This is all off plan at the moment still. So at the moment, you can see it's all being built still. But like I say, you know, extraordinary value for money. At the back of here, you know, you could probably put yourself a Thai kitchen. You know, they've got steps out the back there. You know, the only thing I would say about these buildings, guys, is I like the way they're actually laid out, but I think the walls to the adjoining walls from the properties are a bit low for me. I like it a bit more private. But anyway, guys, look at that, eh? It's really quite special, isn't it? We're going to go across and have a look at the cheaper property. I think 1.64. Have across the way there, have a look. Well, that's this one which is partly built, and this is 1.64. Still not a bad size, and you can see all the building material. This guy's going to have a swimming pool, what you can see just on the side here. Use your imagination, guys. Great value for money. You buy off plan. You know, they really is where you make a bit of money for yourself. So, guys, what do you think of all of that? That's really quite astonishing, isn't it? See all that property there, and they're detached as well, you know, with near all the local amenities. I really hope you liked my video. Give me the old thumbs up, subscription if you like, and yeah, anyway, thank you guys, and till the next time. I think next time we probably could be looking at some luxury property. Nothing what I can afford, I'm afraid, but anyway, guys, till next time, just Freddie, Thailand.